Global warming. Global warming is the big environmental issue we are facing today as greatest challenge which we need to get solved permanently. In fact, global warming is the continuous and steady process of increasing in temperature of Earth's surface. It needs to be discussed widely by all countries worldwide to stop the effects of it. It has impacted the nature's balance, biodiversity, and climatic conditions of the earth over decades. Greenhouse gases like CO2, methane are the main reasons of increasing the global warming on the earth, which directly impacts the rising sea levels, melting ice caps, glaciers, unexpected changing climate which represents life threats on the earth. According to the statistic, it has been estimated that earth temperature has increased to a great level since mid 20th century due to the increased atmospheric greenhouse gas concentrations globally because of the increased demand of the human living standard. It has been measured that year like 1983, 1987, 1988, 1989 and 1991 as the warmest 5 years of the past century. This increasing global warming calls the unexpected disasters on the earth like flood, cyclones, tsunami, drought, landslide, ice melting, lack of food, epidemic disease, death, etc., thus causing imbalance to the nature's phenomenon and indicating end of the life existence on this planet. Increasing global warming lead to the more water evaporation from earth into atmosphere, which in turn become a greenhouse gas and again causes rise in the global warming. Other processes like burning of fossil fuels, use of fertilizers, rise in other gases like CFCs, troposphere ozone and nitrous oxide are causes of such reasons of global warming. The ultimate causes of such reasons are the technological advancement, population explosion, increasing demand of industrial expansion, deforestation, priority towards urbanization, etc. We are disturbing the natural process through the deforestation and use of technological advancement. Population explosion, increasing demand of industrial expansion, deforestation, priority towards urbanization, etc. We are disturbing the natural process through the deforestation and use of technological advancement like global carbon cycle, making hole in ozone layer, etc. and allowing the UV rays to come on the earth, thus increasing global warming. Plants are the ultimate source of removing extra carbon dioxide from the air and making it balance, thus by just stopping the deforestation and enhancing people for more plantations, we can get success of reducing the global warming to a great level. Controlling the population growth is also a great hand towards reducing the global warming all through the world as it lessens the use of destructive technologies on the earth. Thank you.